Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems that you will find in this GMAT book. The GMAT review is called The Official Guide, 11th edition. If you're preparing for the GMAT, buy this book immediately. Go to mba.com and you can purchase it right away. You have to have the book in front of you in order to follow my work. The problem that I'm about to do appears on page number 161, problem number 68. It's called problem solving number 68. That's what PS stands for, problem solving 68. So let's get going. It says the temperatures in degrees Celsius recorded at 6 in the morning at various parts of certain countries were. The fact that the temperature was recorded at 6 in the morning and not 5 in the morning, I'm very touched by that, but it is worthless information. Here are the readings. 10, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 5, and 15. Question simply is, what is the median of this temperature? So let me talk a little bit about median so that you understand what the concept is. It's a very simple concept, and yet sometimes people have a tendency to muck it up. That's because they're not paying attention. It's not a difficult concept, they just don't pay attention. You have to pay attention, you have to concentrate so that you don't screw it up. It's very simple. When somebody asks you for a median, you're given a bunch of numbers, there are a series of numbers, and you are asked to find the median. Arrange the numbers in order, either in ascending order or descending order. Arrange them in either increasing order or decreasing order, and once the numbers are arranged, median is just the middle number. Let me give you a couple of examples. A simple example, and then I'll give you an example which is a little bit more complicated. Let me give you a simple example. Say for example, let's see, what should I make up here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14, let's say. What's the median here? Well, since they're already arranged in order, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers here, which means 3 on this side, 3 on that side. This guy is the median. There we go, that's your median. Make sure you pronounce it correctly, because I've seen people mispronouncing the word. It's median. Median. What happens if instead of 7 numbers, I only had 6 numbers? What's the median of these 6 numbers? There are only 6 numbers. How do I find the middle number now? Well, then the rule is that you have 2 numbers on this side, 2 numbers on this side, and the middle 2 numbers there, you take the average of these 2 numbers. 6 plus 2 divided by 6 plus 8 divided by 2. The median in this case, median is 7 in this case. Median is the average of these 2 numbers, which is 7. So you take the average of the middle 2 numbers. Let me make a note here. Average of the middle 2 numbers. And that's all it is. And that's what you're going to do here. Because we do not have odd numbers of numbers. If we have odd numbers of numbers, it makes life easier. You put a fixed quantity on the left hand side of the middle number, you put the same quantity on the right hand side of the middle number, and the one right in the middle is your median. That's it, you're done. But when you have even numbers of numbers, that's when the things get a little tricky. You have to take the average of the middle 2. Let's do this problem. I'm going to erase this now. I hope you understood it. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange them in order. Here we go. So my smallest is negative 5. Then I have negative 1. Then I have 2. Then I have 5. Then I have 10. And then finally I have 15. So in order to find the median, did I mess it up? Negative 5, negative 1, 2, there we go. Did I leave something out? Negative 5, What is negative 2? There is a negative 2. Oh, this is a negative 2. You see, this is what I mean by paying attention. This is a negative 2. So we have a negative 5, negative 2, and a negative 1. Negative 5, negative 2, and a negative 1. See, I just warned you a little while ago. A little while ago, less than a minute ago, I warned you that these problems are not difficult. These problems are not difficult. It's just a matter of paying attention. I just preached you, and I just did the same thing myself. I messed it up. I missed the negative sign in front of the 2 there, and that of course makes the whole difference. That makes the world of difference. So here I have 2 numbers on the left. I have 2 numbers on the right. All I have to do is take the average of negative 5 and 1. Average of negative, I just a while ago I said negative 5 and 1. I meant to say negative 1 and 5. Negative 1 plus 5 is 4 divided by 2 is just 2. So the median here is 2. The median is 2. While we're at it, let's just learn one more concept quickly, which is mode. What does mode mean? Mode is the most frequently appearing number in a series. I'm not a very good speller, so if I misspell something, forgive me. I do mess up spelling, particularly when I'm writing in the capital letters. If I'm writing cursive, I have easier time spelling things. So it's the most frequently appearing numbers in a series. For example, if I have a series of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, here mode is 5. What if I had a series that looked like this? 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 7. What's the mode in this case? Something like this is referred to as bimodal. It has 2 modes. And that's all you have to worry about it. You will never find something called trimodals in the GMAT. They keep it simple. So you have to keep 3 things separate in your mind, 3 things straight in your mind. The mean, which is just a fancy way of saying the average, which is the straightforward simple average. Then you have your median, which is the middle number after the numbers have been arranged in order. And then you have the mode, which is the most frequently appearing number in a series. Alright? Listen, if you find this helpful, and if you wish to purchase the DVD which contains the solutions to all the problems that are in this book, send me an email and I'll take care of it. There are 400 problems and I have DVDs which contain all the problems. Or if you wish to hire my services for personal private tutoring, I'm located in Connecticut. Send me an email. Go to my website at www.prep.gmat.com. Send me an email. I'm in Connecticut, as I said, but I'm willing to go anywhere as long as you and I can come to some agreement. All right? Thank you.